Good evening, Solarista owners, families, and friends. It is impossible not to feel the unique magic of the Solaris Cup held at the Yacht Club Porto Rotondo. For over a decade, we don't just come here to race, we come here to belong. We come for that breathtaking sight of nearly 100 Solaris yachts crossing a single starting line, a spectacle of power and grace that is truly unmatched anywhere in the world. It is my great honor to invite you back to this turquoise paradise. Clear your calendars and prepare your cruise. The next edition of the Solaris Cup, the 11th, will return to Porto Rotondo from June 4th to the 6th, 2026. But the magic happens both at sea and on shore. We come for the Solaris family spirit, that warm embrace of old friends on the docks, and those unforgettable moments on land filled with delicious food, great drinks, and the music that brings us all together to dance under the stars. I look forward to seeing every one of you on the starting line.